eastern Kenya in Tana River County, an area that's been neglected over time but has so much opportunity. ADM and Concern have partnered to work with local communities to embed sustainable farming practices, to increase the livelihoods of these communities, and to create nutrition sources.
Life-saving education and assistance to farmers, the program known as LEAF, was designed to benefit not just those already involved in agriculture, but also pastoralists who herd goats, cattle, camels and sheep. Communities have been under immense pressure from erratic climate patterns ranging from chronic drought to flash flooding. Fertile land is in abundance here, and the Tana River is a bountiful source of water. Concern has been supporting land preparation and working closely with the National Irrigation Authority to ensure that the water gets to where it's needed. The use of hybrid seeds, climate-smart growing techniques and intercropping have helped participating communities to not only maximise their yield, but also vary their output, meaning more income at market and more nutritious foods for their households.
We're at a community meeting where we're going to hear from these participants. We're going to hear about how they work together, about how their communities have been enhanced, as well as better health and tackling malnutrition in the community.
Communities like this one in Matagala are keen to talk about their successes and their plans for the future. They say there have been multiple impacts. More money to pay for essentials like healthcare and education, a stable food supply, and a marked drop in childhood malnutrition.
Food diversity has increased, and also the malnutrition caseloads has really reduced from high to low as we talk at the moment.
It's been so rewarding to see the faces of these mothers as they explain how their children have gone from malnutrition to being healthy.
Many of these farming families have seen spectacular progress since enrolling in the LEAF program. Today, across Tana River County, thousands of acres of previously unused land are under cultivation with bountiful harvests of maize, rice, beans, watermelon, tomatoes, even sesame, providing additional income and food for hundreds of families.
It's really inspiring to see how fast they have decided they want to be self-sufficient, they want to be progressing, they want to have sustainable practices. And I'm particularly excited about our ability to work with women farmers and enable them to create more nutritious food sources for their families and for their children.
And many of these communities are now operating without any financial assistance from Concern or ADM.
I've learned so much from the people here, and particularly from the staff at Concern. They're on the ground, they're in the field, and they're in the communities every day. And it's obvious to me how much they know about these communities, how much they know about the needs of these communities, and most important, how much they're respected by these communities. I think there's tremendous opportunity here. Tana River is an area where there's a lot of agricultural possibility and interest, especially with respect to the government. And you need that network, you need that support. And it's apparent here, and it's also apparent because of the work that Concern has done with this government. I'm very excited about continuing to work here, continuing to see what more we can do in this community and surrounding areas as well. And very, very happy to have been here and learned so much this week.